Yes, God bless you. Good morning, everyone. Fortunately, I was trying to get on Facebook. Unfortunately, it did not let me in another way, but I want you to share this video. I cannot share right now, but I'm going to beg for a little bit of time. I'm not going to be long on this video. I'm just going to spend like about 20 minutes on it. I need you to help me share this video. Today's date is Monday, May 3rd, 2021. I repeat, Monday, May 3rd, 2021. I'm broadcasting live from Dallas, Texas, United States. This is Mega Comrade Clemente Ranamigo Edegbe once again. First of all, I want to personally address a situation that is going on right now. Concerning insecurity in Nigeria, that is number one. And I'm going to be out later on today. I came out to clear the air for one reason. A couple of weeks ago, or about a week or 2 weeks ago, I came out when Governor Godwin Obaseki of Edo State spoke about printing of money. Mega Comrade came out when people, the ruling party administration were going after Governor Godwin Obaseki. I found out that nobody came out among all is 4+4 to even try to defend him. I don't know why, and I still don't know why they didn't do it. But people are speculating things. The reason why they did not do it, because most of them are waiting for appointment. However, I am a person that believes in truth. You know, I'm a honest man. Whenever I see anything, it don't matter if you are opposition or whatever you are, election is over, I will come out and speak it. And I want to let the whole world know today, whenever Governor Godwin Obaseki say or do anything that will help the innocent poor citizen, I repeat, whenever Governor Godwin Obaseki do or say anything that will help the masses and Nigeria innocent poor citizen, Mega Comrade will come out and say it. I'm not afraid of nobody. I will come out and say it. I'm a man of truth. I don't believe in political correctness. And I don't do pay-to-play politics. Then when I go on air, I saw a lot of people. I was attacked. When I criticized Obaseki, they destroy everything. But when I came out and speak the good thing that he did, like I promised, I said, whenever Obaseki do good thing, I'm going to come out and say it. I'm a man of my word. I'm not a politician. I am anti-corruption, anti-fraud political activist. And I believe that our innocent citizens of Nigeria have treated badly by so-called the political cabal. Our masses are nowhere to be found. They can't even stand up and speak for themselves because of the way the political cabal are able to use poverty to change their life. They chain it and padlock it and put the key in their goddamn pocket. So I want to make this clear. Please send this video to anyone in APC, most especially in Edo State. Nobody should take credit for me coming out to defend Obaseki. Only one person that have the power, the authority to take credit for it is no other than Barrister Osarodion Oge, the SSG to the governor. Of no other person. Because what Barrister Osarodion Oge did 2 times that I saw leadership in him. The SSG. I saw him as a man who knows how to de-escalate issue before it blows off. The Edo State Secretary, SSG. And I believe one day that man will lead that state if care is not taken. Barrister Osarodion Oge is the reason why let me tell you, election is over. I'm Pastor Sage Ezeyamu supporter. I supported him. I'm an PDP card holder. We were in APC. We have brought Comrade Adamali Oshomole in. When Pastor left, I followed my mother. My mother is a woman leader in APC. When Pastor Sage Ezeyamu wing, I've said this several times. When Pastor Sage Ezeyamu left APC for PDP, my mother followed him. Even though she have not been recognized, everything she have been doing, people are taking her glory just like me. Then when my mother moved, my mother told me, said, my son did, I follow my mother. I supported Pastor Sage Ezeyamu when he was in PDP. Then I become a PDP member. Surprisingly, when Pastor Sage Ezeyamu moved back to APC, I have no choice. Because Comrade Adamali Oshomole was already there, and Comrade Tony Kabaka have educated me about Comrade Adamali Oshomole. I did not work close to him. I have never met him. Comrade Tony Kabaka told me about Oshomole, how this man is very nice. I saw what he did in Edo State. So I follow him. All this shenanigan that is going on right now, that some uneducated people, illiterate, so-called pamphlet degree holder. They call themselves goddamn motherfucking graduate. With pamphlet degree. Do you know how long I spent in Unibank without admission? And I'm telling you that a lot of graduates or Unilag or whatever, Uniport, who graduated what I call pamphlet degree. Common sense is not common. They have no brain. Pay for pamphlet, bam. You know what I'm saying? So don't let all this stupid... Is it not a master degree holder in a Nigerian House of Representatives? We were speaking jargon the other day. A whole master degree holder. What did you call that? That man cannot pass a high school diploma exam in the United States. I guarantee you that. I study in this country. I know what it takes to pass exam in this country. 70 is pass mark, not 50. Anyone that studied in America that went to school, ask them, 70 is pass mark, not 50, not 60, 70. The first exam I did in this country, I was having 68. I was happy. I was jubilating until I was told, you didn't make it. I said, what? I got 68. They said, yeah. It takes 70. I said, God damn. What the heck? 70? So, ain't nobody or no school in Nigeria that can compete, that can say Nigerian citizens are hardworking, are smart. But the problem we are having is corruption. The education setup has been completely decimated and corrupt by so-called professors. The same way the political setup is. These are political hyenas. They have completely destroyed Nigeria. One thing they understand in Nigeria, they don't know, I don't think they know how to play politics. They know how to play corruption. What they are doing is play corruption. Now you heard that English. Tomorrow you're going to be hearing it everywhere. They are playing corruption, not politics. Because politics is the ability to be able to walk across the aisle, make your view or your whatever you want, not to your opposition. The ability to be able to sway him to your side, that is politics. And pass the bill, whatever it is. I'm a bridge builder. I'm an independent PDP, independent APC, independent Accord. There's no party I cannot affiliate with. That is me. So all these are gathered, they will put leg here, you will not know where they are. Please don't stain my white clothes. When I came out and said Governor Obaseki, what he said about printing of money or share the money, tell me one thing that he said that is bad. What Obaseki said was true and it was good, and I supported him. All these Edo people, some of them that are crying now, going here and there saying Obaseki, no road, no that. Is it Obaseki that destroyed the road? Did you see where Obaseki carry hammer and be destroying the road? What is your goddamn problem? Did you not know that that road was bad before 2020 election, gubernatorial election? Did Obaseki put the goddamn gun in your head to vote for him? No, he did not. So bear it. Stop complaining. Stop whining. You know the situation. You know how Edo State was. You know the problem of erosion, but yet you said you can bear it. So what are you complaining? Obaseki just got his second tenure, not even up to 1 year. Is it not what the people were telling me then? I told you, teach me what you love, not what you hate. Because if you teach me what you don't like, I'm going to play that game better than you. You know what I'm saying? So I came out today. Governor Obaseki, this is a direct message to Governor Obaseki. If anybody come and tell you that he's a Ranomigo's friend, or he's speaking to me, or he's the one telling me anything, he's a liar. The person is a goddamn motherfucking liar, a pathological liar. Nobody, I fear nobody. I respect people. Look at my face. I fear nobody. Oh, woman will say, people want to kill me, kill me. Where did they put poor man Mona? Kill me, put. I fear nobody. What are you talking about? The only person that have influence of anything that I know, that I respect heavily in Obaseki administration is Barrister Osadio Oge. Because may God Almighty bless Barrister Osadio Oge. Even already are you boy you are man. May God reward him. I don't know him. I have never met him since he become a SSG. I know him many years ago, 1980s. After 1980s, I have not one day met him. But I know he has wisdom of leadership. Barrister Osarodun Oge. There's nothing. I'm publicly saying it now. There's nothing Barrister Osarodun Oge will say is going to do that me, Ranomigo, will be opposition to it. It will never happen. Read my lips. Itane. No, so who want to die should go and die. It will get terrible. For what? For what? Then I'm suffering here, fighting very hard. My system is damaged. Memo was am I owing you? Memo was why will you? Some people are packing millions upon million in. They are packing million upon million in. They will still try to be taking glory. Say, Iranomigo, Moyagwe. Where me? Ohangu waiting be me. Can you call my number? These are some people you will call them when they are in government house. They will not even answer your goddamn phone. And these are rats. Open. Rat. They will not even, they will think they are Alpha and Omega. Let me tell you something you don't know about Barrister Osarodun Oge. When I came out, I did not come out to say I came out. I said I heard that Barrister Osarodun Oge was empowering someone who did something wrong. Immediately that made switch to action. He diffused and de-escalate the situation. Oh my very Elidano. Oh my very oh no he uyoma we Barrister Osarodun Oge saw my mother. Awe ohori any yimen no Barrister Osarodun Oge osabo adebawe. Osabo adebawe. No gbogbo eye unyimen no manu yin ogun ba gun we gbe. Itane. Wara ya no talo na ware itane. Ebote. Why see one well at ya? Why will it be seen at social media? If you people make me angry and bring me back to social media, it will be red. It will be red zone. It go red pa Charlie. It go red. It go up. This is what I learned how to do. On a way when I'm talk a cursing of fast news. You see what he's doing to Joe Biden right now. Joe Biden have not even started. You see what Sean Hannity is doing to him. He may winner. I learned work from fast news. Or Bonnie Weber for 8 years. A fast news, they beat Barack Obama, beat him. Nothing that Obama will do that fast news will say he did. So let them listen. I'm United American train. American train. Counter puncher. Quadruple. If I hear pam, you go to Obaseki and take glory of what you did not know. The only person Obaseki should say thank you to is Barrister Osarodun Oge. Omame go no me. He did not give me 1 penny. Imame no, he go. I did not ask him 1 penny. Because bless Barrister Osarodun Oge. If I hear palm, anybody palm, all those cockroach, all those roaches, scorpion that surround Obaseki. If I hear palm, I'll take you to video. I will video. Now I will narrate you. Yeah, why? They know why. They know why. What did I do to you people? Help the innocent Nigeria that were stranded in South Africa during xenophobia. You said no. Help those citizens that were stranded in sub-Saharan Africa, Libya, that were dying in the sea. You people say you want to kill me. Okay, what did I do? Election is over. Election berane. Election berane. Share this video. I will show free. Show free. All this fake 4+4 Togboyi. Fake 4+4. Why did they not defend Oba? Because they are scared. They are scared of Buhari administration. Because if they talk, DSS go quack there like a goddamn motherfucking chicken. They go quack there. And the Fed will crush them like a goddamn alligator. You hear the sound of that bar when they put them in jail. You know the sound of a prison. When or day or kube. You know. I'm working really hard for myself. I don't want anybody. I don't have time for rubbish, for nonsense. Election. 2023 is coming. Who want you anyhow, make it do anyhow. Talk your own, make I talk my own. They're not the quarrel for campaign. They're not the quarrel. Talk your own. Call me anything you want to call me. Me, I will call you. If I like, I call you any name. I don't care. If I like, I call you minority committee way. Unume ya gwan. Unume. Talk your own. Let me talk my own. Simple. I'm not here to be doing all this goddamn bullshit. Please don't drag my goddamn name into any mess. Then I want to quickly say this as well. Let me tell you, if you know you have 2023 ambition to become House of Rep, House of Assembly, House of Senate, Governor, go and serve your people well. Go and serve your people well, because 2023 na no go area, red zone. You that is not picking your boys' phone. Now don't take people walk. Now don't take masses walk. Nigerian politicians. Election after election, you people dump them. 2022 now, you people will start calling them. Mattis, Alpha, now come and see me. Let me tell you people. Social media is the power of 2023. 2022, it will start. Me, I tell I heard that. Let me just tell you, for you all to know that I know what is going on. My eyes and my ear are in Governor Obaseki Osadebe Avenue. Deputy Governor Shaibu. Chinese can call Shaibu very well. Deputy Governor Shaibu. You know Shaibu. Me, I've never Shaibu, even though Shaibu. Let's leave that. Shaibu, I already know you are going to Senate. I just want you to know. You are going to Senate. No, now the people will carry it. I already know. So I just want you everything before you people plan. Except it's not two person. I will hear everything. I will hear everything. And some people are fighting some agenda, they pay me. And some people are not united. We say do not unite, but now some not going unite. You people should go and look for someone to bring out. So, Shaibu, I heard that you are going to Senate. That's fine. No problem. It's very good. So, breaking news. Akataka. Oh, who could they tell Iranomi all this? How Mega Combre? How you go to America? You go to hear everything for within the apple for Nigeria. Shaibu. You know Shaibu. Me, I like Shaibu. Because Shaibu, they said he's building, he carry 5 billion. He said they build filling station. Shaibu, he don't carry money. Go and do that. I say Naruano. Waiting Igbo they call Naruano. Wait to come be my own. If they use that, they create job. You not carry and go Shanghai. You not carry and go London. You not carry and go Jamaica. You not carry and go nowhere. But he live on for Edo State. Is that not a good thing? So don't set me up with nobody. I know the quarrel with nobody. I want social media to be at peace. Everybody should be at peace. And I want to clear this today. Concerning about Eru Wahala matter. You people should stay away from that matter. That is a private matter. Eru Wahala matter is a family matter. Make you not leave Dumes Edo alone. I have warned my son, Johnny Bizugbe. Johnny Bizugbe is a PFN child. Johnny Bizugbe, Voice of Justice. I have warned him several times to stay away from Eru Wahala matter. Now me talk and tell her, I warn her. I say, anything you say, you bear her. Stay away from it. You are not a family matter settler. You are anti-corruption, anti-fraud political activist. You are not on social media to be saying how Mate sleep with his wife, sleep with his husband, sleep with or commit adultery. That is not Johnny Bizugbe work. That is not Andrew Omofoma work. If they involve in that, they are on their own. Andrew Omofoma and Johnny Bizugbe, they are my son. That is true. They are my children. Social media. So I will use this medium to appeal to both of you. Stay away from all these useless rubbish things that they are doing on social media. I mean, come on, man. Come on. Stay away from it. Don't involve yourself with all these people who are not ready to be redeemed. Stark illiterate. Stay away from all this matter. I am begging Johnny Bisugbe and Andrew Amofoman. I don't want to hear both of you. Forget about this rubbish. Completely garbage. Social media. Igelegbe amugwe me awase Nigeria ima o ro me yo awo eri wa wese iwa ari awolokun rerigbe iri so yowo ko rerigbe bi awe e total awolokun iwa total ara awolokun wa eri awo wa o wa to agbe wa hewe so wa hewe wa ari eni meyo no ri eni meyo ebo agbe omodion ogbe alabodo wa ro pa ari eni meyo. Nobody should involve me. No ri eni meyo no ho eri wa say. So I just want to clear the air, and I love you all. Mega Comrade is going to be on air later. We're going to talk about the insecurity in Nigeria. I want you all to know, Governor Obaseki did not give me a penny. I did not ask him a penny. He's owing me, but I have not asked him the money yet. So I am telling you, anything I do it out of my heart. Is the truth what I say. There's nothing I have not called Governor Obaseki. You people know it. For me to come out and say what Obaseki said is right, you people should be happy. And know that not going around and try to, be saying rubbish or try to take credit where you know you don't have credit. You know what I'm saying? So I love you all. I love you all. Barrister Osarodion Oge, may God bless you. May you live long in Jesus' mighty name. Ikirana mio mana mio mano chiwe o you know papa egbe mi rokpa ave mano mio mami even okay ege time go come o we wa me na ese phone igmina una inawe ya nawe is it nawe ma no 7 sewe igbo eni do gun egbinigbina nifu inawe una you know what I say. So that is it, and I pray anything Barrister Osarodion Oge want to put his hand, he must work in Jesus' mighty name. Anything that will benefit the innocent poor citizen. I know Barrister Osarodion Oge 1980. 1980. Since end of 1990. I left Nigeria in 1993. The last time I saw Barrister Osarodion Oge is 1991. 1991. Some of you people that are parading on social media now were not even born. 1991 was the last time I saw him one-on-one. My way, my make be there. What are you moving? If you not take me, if you not make me mad, the next thing I will see me for Sadebe Avenue. Wow, yeah. The next thing, why are you? I don't know what about Boboja. You walk and I'll be what else at the Beaver. And I'll be what else at the Beaver. And I'll be what else at the you walk. I was so here. Oh, where me on one way politician, we politics. Oh, we never learn. Now, we never learn. Bami social media money. Bami Facebook, YouTube. You can manipulate Facebook with your viewer. You can manipulate Facebook by using people account to add people. I am the king of YouTube. Monia YouTube. Una destroy Facebook, string my YouTube. How many subscribers have you got in YouTube? Egua, nonsense. We can say 30,000. Agmame work too. I'm a balon my me. Even amigo wa my me. Most swing every social media now. Why put me at the word no matter? Why is a balamenwo? Why is a balamenwo? The men I want money with me kuno. I could tell him today show will be very good. I'm working on how I can broadcast on Facebook. So I'm working on it. It's going to be very sweet. The masses have suffered enough. Nigerian masses have suffered enough. Nigeria innocent poor citizens have suffered enough. We are going to talk about the insecurity later. I'm not afraid of anybody. If anybody has a reward has a homework by movement. A homework by movement. Simple. It always say. I see you all later. Today, not today. It's black. And the beats.
bona nene uya go sanera tinu ya mi kono defo letio sanera mama you we ma wu po ano sanera bolere ma dia mi kono media uya go sanera tinu ya mi kono defo letio sanera wasalo pe betara ya de ni ro wa betara ya ni risi iwo pe ma le dia o ga megile wa magegi mi bona su fo me iye mo e wo yo me ga le mi no bete fo iga zunu ka pe gona masala ya mo sanera me umi lo bono me wu bona wa magegi be aso mo ke oga we mo sana me vugo no te iga zunu ka pe ona maseme ya pon mo sanera me